will be heading off to my parents' house, which is where the EG is stored, during the week, because I drive the BM daily. I am going to be test fitting, or actually fitting the Denjis tonight with Sam. So we've got to take the wings off and the front bumper, because I've had a wire tuck for my bay with the lights going down in the wings instead of in the bay to make it look all lovely and pretty, but it's a bit of a pain in the ass now. I have these lights to fit. I want them to be fitted in time for Saturday, which is the 621 meet. I don't know if they will be, fingers crossed they will be, but yeah, hopefully they're all fine. What was a lovely Christmas present. He had to tidy them up quite a bit. The guy that sent them to him did send them in sort of a bad-ish condition, so he did clean them up, spent ages working them on his lunch breaks just before Christmas to give them to me all clean, perfect condition. So they're just so perfect right now. I can't believe he spent so long fixing these lights. The wiring's still a bit dodgy. Me and him are not amazing at wiring, but it should be fine. We'll be able to figure it out. If not, I'm sure someone can help, or we'll just figure it out and it'll be fine. That'll do. Thank you. Oh. Time to undo. Oh, they look well bad. I look so silly, but I'm so cold and I don't care. I think it's because I was the last person to... Oh no.
The last person to do about the roof.
Not that bad. Oh, I didn't even know you were there. God.
All the stuff you can speed up. Left.
Which way is left?
Oh, you can't actually get in there.
That's what I mean.
So you get very much. It's just about loose.
I can't get it out of the bottom.
Is it stuck?
I think there's a bolt at the bottom.
Don't let go. And then if you undo that, down. It's a twist. Yep. So you can just cut this. You should just be able to pull it. Yeah, I think so.
I genuinely can't see because my hair's still in the way. to Sarah, he's just disappeared, for fixing them because they look amazing. We will be at the 621 meet on Sunday. I thought it was Saturday, but it's Sunday. But yeah, stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to drop a comment of how you found the video.